Okay, so today we're going to do something a little different. Had a few folks say they hadn't been out to the website yet and would like a little tour of how it works. So we're going to do a little screen sharing. It's the first time I've done this, so bear with me. Hopefully it goes well. But anyway, so we're at knowledgehive.co. This is our website. You can see the various pieces and parts and what we do and all of that kind of fun stuff. But let's just say that you need help, that you're looking for someone to help you. So you're going to click on Find Talent and it will take you to the screen. So there's two different options here. One is a knowledge seeker. Remember, that means you need help with your project, and then one is a hiver. For this particular exercise, we're going to go ahead and select knowledge seeker and then continue. And then, tell us about yourself, tell us about your project. So, need help finding grants or my business. Looking for help with grants and expertise in this area. And then create or continue. Oops, sorry. Told you. Continue. All right. And what is the name of your project? Okay. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to look for, let's just do maybe government and then maybe nonprofit. Probably stick with those for now. So that's narrowed down your options here as far as the industries go. And now it'll come over and say, okay, what type of help do you need? So grant and program management, grants and programs, nonprofit leadership, maybe. That's probably good enough. It's good to at least select 3 if you can. And then continue. And then your project requirements. I am trying to start up a nonprofit business. We go ahead and continue. And I'm fine having somebody work remote. You can do on site. If you do on site, it's going to just ask you to add the location that you need the person to be if you prefer them to be on site. You're going to limit your options because a lot of people that are doing this are doing it as side gigs, remember, so they're doing it from home. And how long do I need this expert? I'm going to need him really just for an hour, I think, maybe for a week and no months. So I really just kind of want to talk to someone. So I think an hour is good enough. And I could actually, for this type of expertise, I'm okay paying like 125 to 150 an hour. We'll continue. And there are 7 matches for people that have these type of expertise. So now put in my name and my email and then create a password. And confirm your password. Not really sure what I put in. That may not have worked. All right. And then over here that you guys don't see, I'm going to check my email. And I will have received a verification code. Thank you very much. I'll put my verification code in and continue. All right, tell us about your business. This is side gig, nonprofit, and business description, nonprofit, business. And then you can put your phone number and your address in if you would like to and submit. And now continue to my profile, and I can see that I've got 7 matches. And I can look through and I can see who the matches are, what they do, what their qualifications are, etc. And then I can send and invite them to the project. It's really just that simple. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.